Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to use our Ninja Foodi Pro Pressure Cooker to make perfect hard-boiled eggs in about 15 minutes. So you ready? Let's get into this. This is going to be the shortest ingredient list of all time. All you need is a little bit of water, a bunch of room temperature eggs. Be sure to let these sit out of the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. That way there's less chance of cracking. And a whole bunch of ice cubes. Yeah, I know my ice looks weird. Leave me alone. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up our pressure cooker. If you have a steamer basket, use that. But in our case, we can just use the wire rack that comes with the Ninja Foodi Pro Pressure Cooker. Go ahead and set that inside, pour in your water, and we'll go ahead and lay our eggs here into the basket. Try to avoid having them touch the sides of the pressure cooker. It's not gonna hurt anything, but it will burn the eggs a little bit and they won't be as pretty. That's also why we're using the basket. You don't necessarily have to do that, but it keeps everything nicer. Next, make sure your pressure cooking lid is set to seal, and you can go ahead and throw that on. Turn on your pressure cooker, set it to pressure cook at low temperature, and we're gonna set this to 6 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and start. You can do this on high pressure, but you're gonna have a higher risk of cracking your eggs in the process. If you do use high pressure, you'll have to use less time, however. Okay, once your pressure cooking gets done, like that, then we're going to go ahead and let this sit for about 5 minutes to slowly depressurize, at which time we'll go ahead and release the rest of the pressure manually. While we're waiting for that, we can go ahead and take our bowl of ice and fill that up with water so we can create a nice ice bath. Be sure to have enough water in there so you can fully submerge all of your eggs. Once it's been about 5 minutes, we can go ahead and release the rest of our pressure. Be careful with this because the steam is going to be really hot. Once you've let all the pressure out, you can go ahead and take the lid off and start transferring your eggs to your bath. I would recommend using a big spoon or at least some tongs. They're going to be very hot. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Be sure to let these sit in the ice bath for at least 10 minutes or so. This serves a couple of different purposes. First, it stops the eggs from cooking. Second, it helps shock the membrane for the egg, so it's going to be a lot easier to get the shells off too. You can play the timing on this by feel, but just make sure you at least get them most of the way cooled down in the ice bath.
3 days later.
After they've cooled down, you can go ahead and transfer them into a bowl, and they should be just about ready to eat. And you'll see that these shells should come off super easy. Not so bad, huh? Now let's check our cook. How you like them apples? Or eggs? Looks pretty perfect to me. As you can see, those shells come off super easy. If you like your eggs medium or soft boiled, you can do that too. All you've got to do is reduce that pressure cooking time from 6 minutes down to 5 or 4 respectively. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you can check out a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time to watch our video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.